Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install Woodforest mobile banking app. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the App Store and search for Woodforest. So the Woodforest mobile banking app looks like this. Tap on the Get button beside it. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. Now, log in with your username and password.
Before you proceed, a security challenge will appear. To validate your identity, tap on Request Code. Next, select how you'd like to receive the code. In this case, we chose to receive it via email. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then tap on Login. It will then ask if you'd like to enable Face ID. Tap on the option you wish to select. And that's how you download and install Woodforest mobile banking app. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.